Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review RateMyService. It is a little nice tool which will help you to gather feedbacks quickly. So it is your customer feedback and survey solution. You will be able to generate signatures for emails, for your agents or for yourself. Also, you will be able to redirect positive clicks to your Yelp, Facebook, or Trustpilot pages or other custom review page. We'll see how easy it will be to configure that tool. So basically, in your email signature, you will be able to add some buttons to rate a service for an agent or yourself. Let's take a look at the pricing plans. So before that, we can see that 18 languages supported. And the pricing plans start very generously, I would say. Even in the first one, you get 10 staff members, and basically you are not limited at other features. So just see how many agents are in your agency or how many staff members you need. Starting from plan number 3, Enterprise, you have unlimited staff members and you get white label option, so I believe you can add your custom domain. And starting from 4 codes, you can have several enterprise plans. So also before we start review and demo, let's take a look at their roadmap. So in progress, we can see several features, adding number of icons, text surveys, adding Yelp, Facebook, and other review sites. We can see some features in the wish list, for example, survey from attachments. All right, so let's actually start exploring RateMyService tool. This is the main dashboard, and at the moment we are at the setup section. So here you can see how your signature will look like. We can modify the phrase, it will change here. So let's leave it as "Are you happy with my service?" We can change font and the color of the text. The language can also be changed, like so. Okay, what else can we change? At the moment, we can see icon type only as images, but in the roadmap, there were text-based ratings planned. Regarding number of icons, we can have 3, 2, or 5. And here, down below, we actually can select different types of icons. There are different sets of icons for your ratings. And I would say it is a great variety. And you can also choose animated style icons. But let's stick with static ones. And also if we choose number of icons as 2, we have, I believe, the same options. But if we choose 5, I think we are getting less variety of icons. So let's stick with number 3. And let's use these stars. Okay, let's proceed to the next step. And here we are getting 2 options. Internal review, it says it is a standard survey. So here it is, I believe, the base survey form provided. Okay. Also, you can choose external form. So you can add several review sites, your custom URL or Google Business. That's nice to have. But let's stick with internal review form. Next. So here we can add our team members, but let's stick with the default user. We can also import team members from your email provider like G Suite or Office 365, or import from CSV file. So let's go next. All right, so here we are. We've got our signature. And if we click on a particular item, we are getting preview of the form that the user will get. Okay, and imagine you have an agency and here you will have other users and they can have different kind of signatures and you can email this signature to your staff member. Imagine I have an agent that performing a particular task for my agency. So I would like that agent to incorporate this feedback email signature in their email. So I will click this button. Then that particular team member will receive email, and by that link, the team member will be directed to this kind of page where the team member can copy signature. So now let's copy that survey into clipboard. The first option will be good for your Gmail signatures, and if you are using some email service provider or tool that requires HTML for signatures, you have that option as well. But I will proceed with Gmail, so the option number 1 is for me. So now you will need to go to your Gmail settings, to signature, and let's put the signature here, like so, and save changes. And let's compose. So please keep in mind that in Gmail, you need to switch off plain text mode or your signature will not appear. Just like so. So you need to switch that off. And then if you compose new email, yes, here it is your signature. So let's send an email. Here it is. Let's click the button to provide the rating. Now we are directed to built-in form for the feedback. Imagine you would like to stay anonymous. Your clients can leave text feedback as well, then submit. And now we can go to customer feedback, and here it is, the most recent one. Before I left another feedback. So let's view that. That's message. If you go to customer reviews, here I believe if you will add your custom pages for review sites instead of built-in form, then those will appear here. Also, if you will go to reporting, here you can get your statistic visualized for past 7 days, 30, 90 days. If you go to the settings section, here we actually can fine-tune the settings. For example, you can receive email notifications only for dissatisfied feedback, like so. Also, you can send particular feedback, for example, exceeded expectations, directly to your agents. Very convenient feature. All right, moving to the conclusion. RateMyService is really nice, small tool with a particular set of features. It was very easy to set up and use this service. I quickly added the signature to my Gmail, and overall, there are not a lot of features, but RateMyService really delivers on its promise to help you to collect customer feedback really quickly and easily. You can copy feedback collection icons directly to your Gmail signature. If you have email provider or email service that requires HTML, there is an option for that as well. So yeah, overall, really nice tool. To get RateMyService, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.